Hello, once again. I think we'll be continuing with the same chapter, that is programming of 8085. I think we will be starting with arithmetic group of instructions. As the name indicates, arithmetic means it will just do the calculations. In this group of instruction, addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, etc. functions are carried out. Remember one more thing, all flags are affected. It is not like in the previous case that no flags were affected in the data transfer group of instructions. Here all the flags are affected. Okay, so we will take the first in this group we will take first the addition. Okay, here we are having 3 instructions. We also have 3 more instructions that we will see when we'll go ahead. So here you can see add R. Now add R, add M and ADI data. So this can be done with 3 things, register, memory and data. Addition can be done. Now for addition you require 2 things. So by default accumulator is there. So add R means any of the registers. I think we are having 7 registers. So A, B, C, D, E, H, L. Okay, so that can be added, like A is equal to A plus R, and the final result will be stored in accumulator only. Okay, so remember that add R means A is equal to A plus R. This instructions belongs to register addressing mode because everywhere registers are there, and this is 1 byte instruction. Now when we'll go ahead, that time you can see add M. So add M means add memory. Okay, so this is indirect because M is there, so register indirect addressing mode. This is also 1 byte. Now when you go to next instruction ADI, I indicates immediate and data is there, so immediate data. So A is equal to A plus data. This belongs to immediate addressing mode. This is a 2 byte instructions. Immediate instructions are never 1 byte instruction. They are either 2 byte or 3 byte instructions. So we will see all the examples of one examples of all these 3 things. So I hope you got it. In your exams, please don't write like this, add suppose A comma B. So this is wrong because it is understood that A is already there, and you have to just mention the operand, the second register. Okay, so this is wrong. Now let's take one example. Add R, add the contents of accumulator and the register and store the result in the accumulator. So whatever the register is there along with accumulator, they are added and the result is stored in the accumulator. For example, suppose if I take an add B. So add B means A is equal to A plus B. So let A is equal to 55H, B is equal to 25H. This is a before execution situation. Value of A is this, value of B is this. So we have to just change it to binary. So everyone knows 8421 method. So according to that, this is 5, again this is 5, this is 2 and this is 5. So you have to add this. Just wait. I think when we add this, this becomes 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. So 0 plus 0 is 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, so now let me explain you. Now can you see here 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, this will be 1. So this is 1, 1, 1, 1. So what is the answer? The answer is 7A. So remember that only value will be changed is of accumulator. Accumulator previous value was 55H, now the value is 7A. Okay, and you can also see the value of B is same, B register. I think you understand that these square brackets indicates contents. Okay, now these are your flags. I think in the first chapter we have already seen the flags, carry flag, okay, parity flag, auxiliary carry, 0 and sign. Okay, so can you see we have not generated any carry. Carry is generated only when the 9th bit is generated. We are having only 8 bits, so this is correct. Okay, parity means you have to count the number of ones. Okay, can you see this is 3 plus 1 5, 5 is an odd number, that's why parity is 0. Okay, auxiliary carry means if the carry is passed from D3 to D4, okay, from 4th bit to 5th bit, then only auxiliary carry flag will be set. So in this case it is not. Then zero flag, all the 8 bits are not 0, that's why it is 0 only. And sign means what? 8th bit, okay, or the MSB, most significant bit, this is 0, that means it is positive. Okay, so your sign flag is positive. So remember that if you don't draw the flag, you will lose the marks. So you have to solve, you have to write the result and draw the flag, and you have to indicate the flags also. Okay, let's go with the second example. Now here you can see add M. So add the contents of accumulator and memory and store the result in accumulator. So add M, A is equal to A plus M. Let the contents of accumulator is AB, and I think everyone knows that M means HL pair. It is not direct. You have to go to the HL pair. HL pair will be holding some address. So what is this Baba? Baba is nothing but an address. What is this 25? 25 is the data at that memory location, Baba. Okay, now this is a before execution situation. Now let's add it. I think everyone knows how to change it. 8421 method. So this is A means 10, this is 11, 11 means B, this is 2 because can you see here 25, so B is having 2, 5. Okay, now 1 minute. So let us add this. So 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. Okay, so here we got an auxiliary carry. So this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay, so now let me explain you. Now here you can see that 1 plus 1 is 0, this is carry 1. Okay, then again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. This is the carry is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. When the carry is passed from 4th bit to 5th bit, then the auxiliary carry flag is set. So can you see here we have already set the auxiliary carry flag. Okay, this is 1, again this is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, then this will be 1 and this is 1. So can you see this is nothing but I think 12 plus 1 13, 13 means D, this is 0. Okay, then contents of memory is same, no change in the contents of memory. Can you see this is 25, here also it is 25 only the contents of accumulator will be changing. Okay, so can you see we have to set or reset the flags. Carry, we have not generated the 9th bit, so carry flag will be 0. Parity, this is, I think this is wrong, parity has to be 0 here. I think it is like copy paste, so this has to be 0 not 1 because we are having odd number of ones. Then auxiliary carry, definitely we have auxiliary carry flag set. 0 flag is also reset, but again this is wrong because sign flag, sign flag is like you have to check the 8th bit. If the 8th bit is 1, your sign flag should be 1, and that indicates it is negative. Okay, that indicates it is negative. So here also this has to be 1. So there were mistakes like here this has to be 0, this has to be, sign flag has to be 1, and auxiliary carry flag is also set to be 1. Okay, so if you don't write all this, you will lose the marks. So we'll go with the next instruction. Now can you see we are having ADI. I means what? Immediate data. So that's why add data with accumulator and store the result in accumulator. Suppose let's take an example, ADI 99H. Now what is this 99H? Data. So let's, the content of accumulator is AB, data is 99H. Okay, so same thing we have done. Accumulator value is, this is A, this is B, this is 9, this is 9. Okay, because 99H is the data. Now 1 minute. Now can you see 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, this is 1. Again we have generated the auxiliary carry. So this is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, yes, then 1 plus 1 is 0, then 1 plus 1 is 1. This is the extra carry generated. Okay, now let me explain you. Now can you see 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, then this 1 and this 1 is 0, carry 1, then here also this 1 will be written as it is because 0 plus 0 is 0, but carry is there 1. But here can you see 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So we have generated the auxiliary carry. So that's why can you see auxiliary carry is there. Now 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Again I think there is no 1 here, but carry is there, so this will be 1. Again can you see the last two bits MSBs are 1 and 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, so this will be the 9th bit generated. Since the 9th bit is generated, can you see the carry flag is set to 1, and you don't have to consider in result, you don't have to consider that carry, because we have already having the provision to store the carry. It will capacity of accumulator is only 8 bits, so it will store only 8 bits. So your result will be, actually your result is 144, but in accumulator you can store 44 and carry will be showing you that 1. Okay, data is same 99. Now let's check some other thing. Can you see auxiliary carry flag is already set because the carry is already passed from D3 to D4. Now what about parity? Can you see 1, 1? So there are 2 ones. You don't have to count this carry flag because this extra one we have already considered here. So 1 plus 1 and 1, that becomes 2. So that is an even number. So parity flag will be set. No, all the bits are not 0. This is a positive number because MSB is 0. So this is a way to set or reset the carry flags. Flags. So I hope you understood all the 3 things of addition, like add-r, add-m and ADI. Now let's see some other format of addition. Can you see ADC? Now what is the difference here? A is equal to A plus R plus carry. C indicates carry. Okay, that's why we also have to, suppose if the carry is generated in the previous instruction and if you want to add that carry, that can be done. This also belongs to register addressing mode. This is 1 byte. ADCM. So I think almost same, only one thing is extra, that is carry flag. Okay, so A is equal to A plus M plus carry. This belongs to register indirect because M is there. This is 1 byte instruction. Can you see ACI data? So A is equal to A plus data plus carry. So I indicates immediate data. So that's why it is data here. Now this is immediate addressing mode. This is 2 byte instruction. Now let's take example one by one. I think, can you see ADCR? Add the contents of accumulator, register along with carry and store the result in accumulator. Let's take ADCB. So A is equal to A plus B plus carry. Let's accumulator is equal to 55, B register is having 25 and carry is equal to 1. So what we can do here is, before we go ahead, we can add this 2. So 25 plus 1, this is 26. That's why can you see here, we have already taken, I think this is nothing but 26. So can you see B plus carry, that we have already taken as 26. Okay, now can you see this is 5, this is 5, this is 2, this is 6. Okay, now we will add this. So can you see 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, that's why it is 1 here, no auxiliary. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. So can you see we got the answer as 7B, and contents of contents of B register will be same, and there is no carry generated, so carry will be updated to 0 here. Parity means count the number of ones. If it is even, set it. So can you see we are having even number of ones because 6 ones are there, so parity is set. And I think auxiliary flag is not set, 0 flag is not set, sign flag is reset because MSB is 0. So I think not a great difference between these two. Only thing is one extra carry flag is there. Okay. Now can you see we are having ADCM. So add the contents of accumulator memory along with carry and store the result in accumulator. So ADCM, I think same thing, A is equal to M plus carry. So let's accumulator value is 0 1. Memory means contents of HL pair. HL pair will be holding some address, and that address you are having some value. And I think we have just forgotten to take the carry. So I'll just write here. Let's assume that carry is also 1. So 25 plus 1, that becomes 26. So this is the same number we have already considered in the previous example. You can take any other example. You can see, can you see accumulator value is 0 1, this is 26. Now can you see 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, no auxiliary carry, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and I think these two are 0. So your answer is 27 in accumulator. So accumulator will be updated, memory will be same, okay, that is 25. Now there is no carries, that's why carry flag is reset. Parity, yes, total number of ones are 4. 4 is an even number, that's why you can see this is the even value. Now auxiliary carry not generated, so keep it reset. 0 is not generated, sign flag, can you see the 8th bit is not there at all, so sign flag is also 0. Now let's go with the last instruction of addition, that is ACI data. So same thing, add data and carry with accumulator and store the result in the accumulator. Now here also you can see that accumulator value is what, AB, data is 999. I think here also they have missed the carry is equal to 1. Now 99 plus 1, it is 100, but we cannot write 100 because 99 plus 1, this will be 9 plus 1 is 10, but 10 we used to write A, and this 9 will be written as A, 9A. So can you see this is nothing but 9A. Okay, this value is 9A because 99 plus 1 is 9A in hexadecimal. Okay, now this is A, that is 10, this is B, this is 11. Now can you see 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, again, yeah, this 2 will be 1 is already written. Now can you see 1 plus 1 is 0, so we have already set with the auxiliary carry flag. Can you see auxiliary carry flag is set. Now 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, this will be 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So we have generated one extra carry. So can you see carry flag will be set again here only. Okay, auxiliary carry flag is set. Parity is odd because there are 3 ones. This we have already considered in here. Okay, no sign, no 0, all are positive. And can you see we are having 45H because this is 4, this is 5. So accumulator is having the value known as 45H. I hope you have understood all the instructions from. So these are the instruction with carry. So we have cleared with 6 instruction, ADC, R, ADCM and ACI data. Now can you see here, we are also having 3 more instructions like add R, add M and ADI. I hope you understood. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.